Every perfect trail mix begins long before it reaches a factory.
Precision machines gently release nature's harvest. Efficiency starts right at the orchard floor. Harvested volume is controlled from the first transfer.
Each ingredient follows its own path to the mix. Sweetness is developed naturally under open skies.
Color and tang are captured at peak ripeness. Gentle handling preserves flavor integrity.
Crunch begins with careful seed extraction. Quality is verified before anything moves forward.
Harvests are stabilized for transport. Each batch is isolated to preserve traceability. Now the journey shifts from field to factory.
From scattered farms, everything converges toward one destination.
The scale of production begins to reveal itself. Every shipment is logged before it enters the system.
Incoming volume is measured to the kilogram.
Traceability starts before unloading begins. Precision docking keeps the flow uninterrupted. This threshold separates raw supply from controlled processing. Every movement is deliberate and synchronized. Digital tracking ensures nothing is misplaced.
Ingredients pause briefly before entering production.
Gravity becomes the first processor.
From here, everything moves within controlled walls.
Transport ends, and transformation is about to begin. Before blending, purity comes first. Airflow removes what doesn't belong. Size consistency defines the perfect bite.
Invisible safeguards protect every pack.
Only edible matter moves on. Color tells the story of freshness.
Human judgment still matters.
Balance is measured before mixing begins.
Cleanliness is enforced at every stage. Moisture control preserves shelf life. Clean components are now isolated and ready. Timing prepares the blend.
preparation ends where creation truly begins. Precision timing defines consistency. Every blend follows a calculated formula. Uniformity is built through motion. Each rotation improves balance. Technology watches every second.
Subtle enhancements elevate taste.
Time determines perfection. The blend is ready to move on. Consistency is verified one last time.
Flow is stabilized for downstream systems.
Uniformity is preserved even at rest. The mix advances without separation. Primary processing gives way to refinement. Flavor deepens under controlled heat. Every degree is carefully managed. Profiles are locked to preserve texture. Cooling halts the roast instantly. Final touches enhance every bite. Uniform flavor is non-negotiable.
Safety layers never overlap by chance.
Redundancy protects the consumer. Stability prepares the mix for automation.
The line pauses only when needed.
Machines think ahead to stay smooth. Now the factory shifts into full automation. This is where scale meets precision. Automation takes control with absolute precision.
Every gram is calculated in milliseconds.
Packaging is built around the product. Seals are tested instantly. Imperfections never move ahead. Every pack carries its history. Accuracy is confirmed one last time. Machines see what humans cannot. Order emerges from speed.
Consistency is packed into every box.
Protection continues beyond the pouch.
Scale is achieved without compromise.
Automation delivers stability at volume. Individual units now move as one system.
Retail scale gives way to logistics scale.
Identity is reinforced at every level.
No seal goes unchecked. The line rises toward completion.
Structure ensures stability in motion. A finished unit stands ready. Digital identity follows every pallet. Stability is verified before storage. Completed products move without human touch. Volume becomes visible. Every order waits its turn. Verification stands between assembly and release. Nothing ships without proof. Quality is measured statistically.
Testing begins at the consumer level.
Integrity is tested, not assumed. Accuracy extends beyond the line.
Appearance reflects care.
Balance is confirmed scientifically.
Shelf life is verified here.
Food safety is non-negotiable.
Data completes the story.
Approval unlocks movement.
Only the best continues. The final journey begins.
Finished products enter controlled storage.
Space is optimized by automation.
Every pallet is always accounted for. Orders trigger movement instantly. Storage gives way to fulfillment.
Protection is verified before travel. Logistics organizes the flow.
Human and machine work together.
Alignment ensures speed and safety.
Finished goods prepare for travel.
Security follows precision.
Distribution begins its final leg.
From factory floor to the world beyond.
Distribution networks extend the factory's reach.
Speed defines modern food logistics.
Global demand requires global scale.
Compliance travels with every shipment.
Timing aligns across continents.
The supply chain crosses oceans.
Closer to consumers, speed increases.
Retail systems take control.
The final destination appears ordinary, but it isn't.
Every unit represents precision at scale.
Millions of packs, one controlled process. And this is how modern factories produce trail mix from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.